The best time to visit Vilnius this May. As the weather kicks in Vilnius we are starting to have lots of outside celebrations, events that are interesting for the locals and visitors as well. On May 16th and 17th we will have the open House Vilnius festival. In this festival it's very good for the architecture geeks. On this festival usually closed buildings are open for public to visit with the guided tours. Also on May 16th we will have the street music day. And on this day all of the old town and city center will be filled with street musicians, and it will be just one big concert. Very good weekend to visit the city. On May 23rd we will have a museum night, and then local museums will have special programs to enjoy in the evening and even a little bit later on. And on the last weekend of May we will have the Pink Soup Fest. So this festival, it's only for the traditional Lithuanian most unique dish, the cold pink beetroot soup. When you're here in Vilnius, don't go out without trying that. So this festival this year will be held on the White Bridge territory. This is one of the nicest, best festivals in Vilnius that you can find. Please come join and feel Vilnius with us.